Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Cinema HD on Roku TV. So this is basically all the process and all the methods, if there are any, on how to install Cinema HD on Roku. So if we scroll down and how to download Cinema HD on Roku, so just read it out. Cinema HD is a popular app that you might be using on like Fire Stick, Android, or even on Windows. If you don't know how to install on Fire Stick, you can check our guide. And here is Cinema HD is an Android app that uses Android operating system to run. You can easily install it on Android devices, but Roku OS does not support Android apps. So this is the reason why you cannot install Cinema HD on Roku. There are no Cinema HD built for Roku OS. No matter which Roku device you're using, there is no Cinema HD for Roku TV. Not at all. So do not try to jailbreak the Roku streaming stick or like Roku Premiere and other stuff. So what you can do is just how to cast Cinema HD on Roku. Like you can share a kind of a screen from the Android to the Roku TV. So the simple process is just go to Roku home screen, setting, system, and screen mirroring. Once you go into screen mirroring, you might see other options like you can install this app on your Android device, local cast to TV. And once you install it, you can connect it with the Roku TV. And once you connect it, you can easily share the screen and like watch whatever you want to watch. So that is the all steps and process of how you can like watch Cinema HD on Roku TV.